Hi everyone, welcome to FoodyVibes. Today we'll be making chanadal halwa. First, I have already washed and soaked 500 gram of split chickpeas, that is chana dal, for about 1 hour so that it will take less time to boil. Here, as you can see, I have bring to boil around 1.5 liter of water and pour the chickpeas in the water. Cover and let boil. It will take around 30 to 40 minutes depending on the quality of the split chickpeas. After that, we'll drain out the split chickpeas from the water and put in a drainer. Now we'll grind the chana dal once cooled down until fine paste and keep aside. Next, we'll melt 200 gram of ghee. Then fry around 25 gram each of dried grapes and finely sliced almonds. Let fry until lightly colored brown. Remove all and keep aside. Now we'll add around 10 pieces of cardamoms and 4 sticks of cinnamon. Let fry for 1 minute, then add the chana dal paste. Now we have to keep stirring. Next, we'll add 200 gram of brown sugar and continue mixing until you will see it start to dry out little by little and become more brownish in color. Now we'll add some liquid milk, that is, I have mixed 4 tablespoons of milk into 1/4 cup of water. Mix well, then add some soaked saffron. Now we have to stir continuously and let it cook on medium-low flame. We can add half of the fried dry grapes and almonds and keep mixing until the halwa becomes thick in paste and start to separate from the pan. And it's done. Next, let's grease a dish with some butter, then spread out the halwa with the help of a spatula as it is really hard to touch. Then we'll garnish with the rest of the fried toppings and let cool down for at least 2 hours so that we can cut into shapes later. And here you are with a simple and easy method of preparing chana dal halwa for any occasion that will amaze your guest. Hope you have liked my video. For more, please share, like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.